Today I'm going to show you how to play along with Runnin' Down a Dream by Tom Petty. I'm tuned to E, B, then high E. There's just a few licks that make up this song, but there are two guitars going, so I've kind of tried to blend them together when I can. So the intro lick, I'll play it up to speed, and then I'll put a tab down there, and I'll play it slow. Now slow, that would be like this. Do one more time. The reason I do an upstroke on the last chord is to make it sound as the other guitars coming in at the same time. Because they both hit at the same time, so that sounds a little fuller. The verse is very straightforward. I like to sort of pedal along with the low string. It's 4 measures of E, or 0, and then 2 measures, measure being 4 beats, of 10, which is D. I'll just demonstrate that for you up to speed. Now it doubled there and it put the lick in between. I'll slow it down. It's a little boring slow, but I'll count it so you'll see what's going on. 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4. 1. After the last 2 measures of the last D, I usually just let it hang, or you can keeping the rhythm on your instrument. It doesn't really matter. Then it goes into the chorus, which is far more interesting. It starts on the 5th fret, goes to the 3rd, goes to the open. There's a piano part that goes quite quickly, like that. So I throw it in on guitar because, you know, what the heck, right? So I'll do that slow for you. And then depending on where you are in the song, it goes back to the intro riff. And it does other verses and whatnot, which you can figure out just by playing along with it. There is one other part that appears briefly and then becomes a solo at the end. And it's very easy to do. It's kind of like the first lick. I'll play it up to speed. Oh, now I'll do it slow. And actually, one of the guitars is pedaling on E when you do that. So I don't know how it will sound on my little laptop, but if you can get all 3 strings going, it's kind of more like what was really happening on the record. Anyway, I hope you have lots of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.